In the south of Norway, there's many opportunities for the whole family.
And of course, you will find perfect conditions for fishing. Not only in summer, but also in spring and autumn. Not only for deep sea fishing, but also from shore. In the fjords, you can also fish from shore or from boat. And there's always a place with good conditions. And the freshwater fishing is great. There are hundreds of remote lakes and rivers where you can catch salmon in season and trouts and Arctic chars all year round.
Opportunities for berry picking, mushroom picking, mountain biking, and then on the rivers, opportunities for canoe tours, for rafting. So lots to do for all the family in the area. Southern Norway has some wonderful nature and wonderful experiences for you, and I welcome you, and I hope that we will see you in the south of Norway.